Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions worldwide, arthritis. But don't worry, we've got some natural remedies up our sleeves to help you kick arthritis to the curb. So, grab a cozy blanket and let's get started. Arthritis, the not-so-friendly companion that loves to mess with our joints. But what is it exactly? Well, it's not just one condition. It's a group of over 100 types of joint inflammation. From osteoarthritis to rheumatoid arthritis, our joints can face quite the challenge. Before we jump into the remedies, let's understand our opponent. Imagine you joints throwing a little party, but instead of celebrating, they're inflamed, swollen, and causing pain. Now, that's arthritis crashing the party. But fear not, we're here to restore order. Arthritis is a word that covers many different problems that can affect your joints. It can cause pain and stiffness, and make it hard to move around. Other symptoms might include redness, warmth, swelling, and not being able to move your joints as much as you used to. Sometimes, arthritis can also affect other parts of your body. It can start slowly or suddenly. There are many different types of arthritis, over 100 in fact. The most common types are osteoarthritis, also known as degenerative joint disease, and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis usually happens as we get older and affects our fingers, knees, and hips. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease, which means that the body's immune system attacks its own healthy tissues. It often affects the hands and feet. Other types of arthritis include gout, lupus, fibromyalgia, and septic arthritis. All of these are types of rheumatic disease. To treat arthritis, you may need to rest your joints and alternate between using ice and heat. Losing weight and exercising can also help. The type of medicine your doctor recommends will depend on the type of arthritis you have. Common medicine include pain relievers like ibuprofen and acetaminophen. In some cases, you may need to have your joints replaced. Osteoarthritis is the most common type of arthritis, affecting more than 3.8% of people worldwide. Rheumatoid arthritis is less common, affecting about 0.24% of people. Gout is also relatively common, affecting about 1–2% of people in the Western world at some point in their lives. In Australia, about 15% of people have arthritis, while in the United States, more than 20% have some form of the disease. Arthritis is more common in older adults, but it can affect people of all ages. Arthritis can cause pain, stiffness, and swelling in the joints. It can also make it difficult to move around and do everyday activities. This can lead to missed work and a decreased quality of life. The term arthritis comes from the Greek words arthro joint and itis inflammation. Signs and symptoms. Almost all types of arthritis cause joint pain. The pain can be mild or severe. Other symptoms include swelling, stiffness, redness, and aching around the joints. Some types of arthritis, like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis, can also affect other organs in the body. This can cause a variety of symptoms, such as not being able to use your hand or walk, stiffness in one or more joints, rash or itch, feeling tired and unwell, losing weight, having trouble sleeping, muscle aches and pains, tenderness in the joints, having trouble moving your joints. If you have advanced arthritis, you may experience other problems that are not directly caused by the disease. For example, it may be difficult to move around or exercise, which can lead to muscle weakness, loss of flexibility, and decreased aerobic fitness. These changes, along with the main symptoms of arthritis, can have a big impact on your quality of life. Risk factors. There are a few things that can increase your risk of getting arthritis later in life. Some of these you can control, while others you can't. Smoking is one thing that can make you more likely to get arthritis, especially rheumatoid arthritis. To diagnose arthritis, a doctor will examine your joints and may order other tests, such as X-rays and blood tests. depending on the type of arthritis they suspect. All types of arthritis can cause pain, but the patterns of pain may differ depending on the type of arthritis and where it is. For example, rheumatoid arthritis is usually worse in the morning and causes stiffness that lasts for more than 30 minutes. However, in the early stages, people with rheumatoid arthritis may not have any symptoms after a warm shower. Osteoarthritis, on the other hand, tends to cause morning stiffness that eases relatively quickly with movement and exercise. In older people and children, pain may not be the main symptom of arthritis. Older people with arthritis may simply move less, and young children with arthritis may refuse to use the affected limb. Osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is the most common type of arthritis. It affects people and animals, like dogs, cats, and horses. It can affect any joint in the body, but it's most common in the hands, wrists, feet, back, hips, and knees. Osteoarthritis is caused by wear and tear on the joints. It can also be caused by injury. The disease starts in the cartilage, which is the smooth tissue that cushions the ends of bones. Over time, the cartilage breaks down and the bones start to rub against each other. This can cause pain, stiffness, and swelling. Osteoarthritis is more common as people get older. It's also more common in people who are overweight or obese, and people who have had joint injuries. In dogs, osteoarthritis can cause pain, stiffness, and difficulty moving. It can also cause behavioral changes, like aggression or difficulty squatting to go to the bathroom. There is no cure for osteoarthritis, but there are treatments that can help manage the pain and symptoms. These treatments include exercise, weight loss, physical therapy, and medication. Rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis (RA) is a condition where the body's immune system attacks its own tissues, including the joints. This can cause pain, swelling, and damage to the joints, as well as other parts of the body. RA often affects the joints in the hands, wrists, knees, and elbows, and it can be symmetrical, meaning it affects both sides of the body. If left untreated, RA can lead to severe joint deformity within a few years. RA typically occurs in people over the age of 20, but it can also affect children. In children, RA can cause a skin rash, fever, pain, and disability. With early diagnosis and treatment, most people with RA can lead full and active lives. The risk factors for RA include being female, having a family history of RA, being older, being obese, having had a joint injury, and smoking. Natural Remedies Part 1. Diet and lifestyle changes. First up, let's talk about what's on your plate. A healthy diet can be your ally. Say hello to omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. These bad boys are known for their anti-inflammatory powers. Oh, and don't forget to dance your stress away. Stress can be a major arthritis aggravator. Natural Remedies Part 2. Exercise and movement. Time to get those joints grooving. Exercise might seem like a paradox, but gentle movements can actually ease arthritis symptoms. Think low-impact exercises like swimming, yoga, or walking. It's all about keeping those joints lubricated and happy. Natural Remedies Part 3. Herbal Allies. Nature's Pharmacy is open for business. Turmeric, ginger, and boswellia. These herbs aren't just for flavoring your favorite dishes. They come armed with anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe those achy joints. Spice up your life and bid farewell to arthritis discomfort. DIY home therapies. Who said you need a fancy spa? Create your own arthritis retreat at home. Warm compresses, Epsom salt baths, and essential oils like lavender and eucalyptus can turn your living room into a relaxation haven for your joints. Closing thoughts. And there you have it, our guide to tackling arthritis naturally. Remember, it's all about understanding your body, making mindful choices, and embracing the healing power of nature. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, take care of those joints and stay fabulous. Thank you for joining us on this arthritis-busting journey. If you have any questions or want to share your remedies, drop them in the comment below. Stay tuned for our next adventure into the world of wellness. Bye for now.